So enter your new user password here to unlock the system and verify it. Alright, the new password is working. Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux Inti YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how we can reset the root password on Linux Mint. So if you forget your root password, then don't worry. I'm gonna tell you the best way to reset it. So first of all, you have to restart your system. Now hold down the left side shift button while it is booting. Alright, the GRUB menu is appeared. Now press E at the default option to edit the commands. So once you are in the edit mode, use the arrow keys to reach the end of the line that start with Linux. So here is the line that start with Linux. Alright. Now enter the following code at the end of the line. rw init is equal to /bin/bash. Now you have to press the F10 button. Alright, we are in the root shell now. Right here the password root and hit enter. Password root, hit enter. So enter your new password here. 123. Retype your new password 123. So I will recommend you to do it multiple times because in some cases it does not work for the first time. So in the root shell we can also change the user password, and the general user for my system is Linux Int. So enter password, write down the name of your general user here and press enter. So enter the new password for the user 123123. Alright, now we have to restart the system. Now the system is restarted, and enter your new password here, and the new password is working fine. There is another way to change the user account password, and let's see how it works. So first of all, you have to restart the system and get into the GRUB menu. So the GRUB menu is appeared. Select advanced options and hit enter. Now enter the recovery mode. On this screen, select the root. The system is prompting for the root password. Enter your root password here. So now write the password command here and specify the user for whom you are going to change the password. Alright, now hit enter. Enter the new password for this user 123 and retype new password 123 and reboot the system. So enter your new user password here to unlock the system and verify it. Alright, the new password is working. I hope you found this video useful to know that how we can reset the root password on Linux Mint. So keep following us on the Linux Int YouTube channel and do not forget to subscribe it for more useful videos about Linux. Thank you.